It seems in America, car shows have nowhere to go but up in the world. And there's one show in particular that's becoming a star attraction, and that's called Freedom Factory. And here on the Motoring World Experience, we take a trip over to Freedom Factory for the Freedom Cars and Coffee Show. Show cars, trucks, race cars, even a chopper thrown in the mix. These are the things that complete this car show called Freedom Cars and Coffee. Located on State Road 64 in Bradenton, Florida, Freedom Factory is the home of the monthly Freedom Cars and Coffee event. And track ownership and management show no signs of finishing last in expanding events as a top destination for car people and motorsport fans across the nation. Before Freedom Factory, the oval track was once called Desoto Motor Speedway, according to online historic records from the Manatee County Public Library System. The Speedway was built by Gene Tharp, a race car driver who competed in stock car oval racing back in the 1960s. Manatee County records also said that Tharp built the track and the drag strip after buying 90 acres of rural East Manatee land. Additionally, as said in the Bradenton Herald by Matt Johnson in May of 2014, Tharp had a business partner who contributed to the construction of DeSoto Speedway, Stan Swartz, an attorney and former stock car driver himself. Known as the fastest 3/8 mile asphalt oval racetrack in the South, the Speedway had different owners after Tharp and Swartz passed on the torch. Fast forward to the 21st century, track ownership continued to come and go. Until 2017, a famous YouTuber and auto enthusiast, Cletus McFarlane, bought DeSoto Speedway and renamed it Freedom Factory after the track had been closed down for a few years at the time. Under McFarlane's ownership, renovations took into effect, along with the expansion of auto racing events. He met with Gene Tharp and told the story of DeSoto Speedway, a story best told by McFarlane's video that he made. According to the Bradenton Herald in 2022, McFarlane's ownership through the years has underwent some local challenges, such as the opposition of regional land developers who sought to build residential housing near not just the oval track itself, but the drag strip, Bradenton Motorsport Park. No matter the challenges, McFarlane and his friends, along with his fans, continue to give Freedom Factory and BMP a future beyond forever. With oval racing events brought back to the public, Freedom Factory expanded their events listings with the incorporation of Freedom Cars and Coffee, debuting their show on Saturday, September 23rd, 2023. Going to the Cars and Coffee event in 2024, in the month of November, the venue was a sight to see. What stands out with this show compared to local cars and coffee shows is that it has a Daytona Turkey Run car show and swap meet appearance, but more small-scaled compared to the behemoth that is Daytona International Speedway. But what is big here is the turnout of different makes and models. One look around, the spectator is walking into a wonderland of automotive variety. Here, expect to find promotional show cars such as the Cletus McFarlane Driving Experience Ford Crown Victoria Modified Race Cars. Event information that can be best explained on the official website of Freedom Factory. During this time, I wasn't able to find McFarlane anywhere, but it can be imagined that this show has him there in spirit, no matter how hard at work he is making car content across the nation for his YouTube channel. And basic word of mouth spread to show the world that Freedom Factory is open. If one were lucky in the next Freedom Cars and Coffee show, you might be able to find the man himself, including possibly Bradenton Motorsport Park owner Victor Alvarez, who McFarlane owns 50% of the drag strip as of January of 2025. The writing is on the wall. The land belongs to the motoring world. Next time on the Motoring World Experience, we check out this barn find 1979 Chevrolet C10 long bed pickup truck. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, be driven in the know and pass it on, because car culture is more than a lifestyle. It's a community.